Welcome to MS class. Let's see some sequence. Okay. As for example, 3, 6, 12, 24 dot dot dot. This is number 1 sequence. Number 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. Number 3, we can take 0 0.02, 0 0.002, 0. Next 0.00, one more 0, 2 dot dot dot. Okay. Now what these are the sequence. What type of sequences these are? Already discussed the arithmetic progression. The concept of the arithmetic progression, I think all of you have clear. What is the characteristics, special characteristics of arithmetic progression? If we add the common difference, we will get the next term. So here see 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, then common difference should be 3. Then 6 plus 3 is 9. It should be 9, but here it is not 9, it is 12. 12 plus 3 it is 15, but here it is 24. So it is not an arithmetic progression. Then if it is not an arithmetic progression, then what it is? So here if we see, in this case, first one, if we see in first case, see ratio between first two things, that 3 by 6 is equal to what? 1 by 2. Then 6 by 12, what will get? 1 by 2. Then 12 by 24, what will get? 1 by 2. Or 6 by 3 is 2, 12 by 6 is 2, 24 by 12 is 2. In this also you can get. Okay. Next, in the next case, 1 by 4 by 1 by 2, 1 by 4 by 1 by 2. This also you can say in this way, 6 by 3 is equal to 2, 12 by 6 is equal to 2, 24 by 12 is equal to 2. Next is 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Next 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4, then also it is 1 by 2, etc. That means what? These are same, ratios are same. Here ratios are same. But if the ratios are same, in the third case also, this is first case, this is second case, third case what will get? Third case, in third case see 0.002 divided by 0.0.2, what will get? 1 by 10. Then 0.002 divided by 0.02 divided by 0.002, then what will get? Again 1 by 10 will get. Okay, so here also the ratios are same. So this type of sequence is called, such type of sequences are called geometric sequence or geometric progression or geometric progression. Okay, that is GP. Shortly it is written as GP. First one is AP, second one is GP. So what is GP? A sequence of non-zero numbers is called GP if each term except the first one bears a constant ratio to the term immediately preceding one. Okay, immediately preceding one. That means what? If a1, a2, a3 dot 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 an is called a GP, is called a GP if ak plus 1 by ak is equal to ratios of the consecutive terms is equal to r are not equal to 0. Okay, this is called common ratio. This is known as common ratio. Clear? So if it is common ratio, then what will get first term? Let first term is a. Common ratio is r. Therefore, the terms of the GP are What are the terms of the GP? First term is a. That is a1 is equal to a. a2 is equal to what? ar. a1 is equal to a. a2 is equal to ar. Okay. Then a2 is equal to ar we are getting. Next, a3 is equal to a r square. Similarly, a4 is equal to a r cube. In this way, if we move, an is equal to what? A r to the power n minus 1. So this is the general term. This term is called general term. an is equal to what? an is equal to a r to the power n minus 1. N is the a is the first term, r is common ratio, and n is number of terms. N is number of terms, and n must be belongs to capital N, natural numbers. Okay, clear? So this is the arithmetic progression. Here finite infinite arithmetic progression is there. If the last term we are getting, then it is finite GP, and if last term we are not getting, then it is called infinite GP. Okay. The number of similarly selection of terms of a GP, selection of terms of a GP. How to select the terms of a GP? Number of terms, then terms like before the AP selection of terms. If it is related to two terms, then what do you have to assume? If it is related to three terms, what do you have to assume? Common ratio, common. In arithmetic progression also we discuss about the things, common ratio. The question may be asked anyway. If two terms, then AR, common ratio is R. Three terms, A by R, AR, common ratio is R. Okay. Four terms, then A by R cube, A by R, AR cube, common ratio is R square. Common ratio is R square. Five terms, A by R square, A by R, AR square, common ratio is R, etc. In this way you have to assume. Okay. Now sum of n terms of a GP. Sum of n terms of a GP. Suppose AR square n terms. So a r to the power n minus 1 are the terms of GP. That is Sn is equal to a plus ar plus ar square plus dot 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 plus a r to the power n minus 1. If we multiply it, this number 1, if we multiply 1 into r implies r Sn ar square plus dot 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 plus a r to the power n. This is number 2. So subtract this 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1, anything 1 minus 2 implies. So Sn minus Rsn is equal to this terms of the lower part will be, the sign of the terms of expression will be changed. If it is plus then minus, minus then plus, all are plus, so it will be negative. Subtracting, so this minus, so ar cancel, ar square cancel, all will be cancelled. First term will be remaining as usual. So what will get? A minus ar to the power n, a minus ar to the power n. Okay. Next, see a minus ar to the power n. So we need to find out the Sn. So we can take common. Sn is common. Then Sn minus r minus Sn, there is 1 minus r is equal to what? A common. In the right hand side also a common, 1 minus r to the power n. So implies we need to find out Sn. Sn is equal to, what will get? A into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. If r is not equal to 1, r is not equal to 1. So this is Sn, this is the formula. But remark is that some authors has given two different formulas for Sn. Two different formulas. Sn is equal to a 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r, where r is less than 1, if r is less than 1, or Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n a into r to the power n minus 1, not 1 minus r to the power n, a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. If less than 1, 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r, and if greater than r, then what will write? A into r to the power n minus 1, r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So we will apply as per the question. Both the formula you have to remember and we have to apply as per the question. Okay. Geometric mean, GM, geometric mean. What is geometric mean? If A, B, C are in GP, then B by A is equal to C by B. B by A is equal to C by B. If we take the cross multiplication, so B square is equal to AC. And this B is called geometric mean. B is known as geometric GM. Okay. Geometric. So what is B? B is equal to root over AC. B is equal to what? Root over AC. That is geometric mean of what? A and C. We can say geometric mean of A and C. So if A and B are any two terms, then GM of A and B is equal to root over AB. GM of A and B is equal to what? Root over AB. Okay. let G1, G2 dot 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 Gn be n geometric mean n gm, okay, between a and b, two numbers, then what we can write, G1 is equal to what, a into b by a whole to the power 1 by n plus 1. G2 is equal to a into b by a whole to the power 2 by n plus 1. If it is 1, then 1 by n plus 1. If it is 2, then 2 by n plus 1. Okay. Similarly, we can get what? Gn. What will be Gn? What is Gn? Last term plus Gp. Gn is equal to a into b by a whole to the power n by n plus 1. This is Gn. Okay. So if it is asked, put 4 terms in between a and b if they are in geometric progression. So in this we have to find out the terms. Okay. What is the relation between AM and GM? Relation between AM and GM. See, what is the relation between AM and GM? Relation between AM and GM. AM, if AM is equal to A, GM is equal to Z. Let A and B are two numbers. Then AM, A is equal to what? A plus B by 2. G is equal to what? Root over AB. Root over AB. Then A minus G, what will get A minus G? A plus B by 2 minus root over AB. And if we take the LCM, 2a plus b minus 2 root AB. So what we can write? See, half root a whole square plus root b whole square minus 2 root a into root b. 2 root a into root b. That means what? Half root a minus root b whole square. It is always positive. So which is greater or equal to 0, as root a minus root b is whole square is greater or equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, what we can say, A is greater or equal to G. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. Okay. So this is the basic concept of geometric mean. So I hope all of you understand. In the next class, we will discuss the application of geometric progression. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.